And we are underway. Coming right across with a huge knee.
Powerful flying knee, and he's in trouble, Mike.
Trying to finish it right here. It's all over. Just like that. Wow.
And that's a hard shot to the body right away. Tags him, hits him with a couple shots, and just doesn't give Andy Ogle a chance to recover.
Forward elbow. Forward elbow. Elbow, Tony. Come on, Tony, up. Forward. Come on. Hold up, hold up. Keep punching with the elbows. Let's go. Keep it there. Come on, Tony. Change level, Tony. Forward up. Come on, Tony. Yeah. Come on. Stop the fight, Presley.
Got such weird movement. Lando Venata stung him. Oh, Gage.
Wait, let him get comfortable.
Oh my goodness. It's over.
Back to it here. Defensively tonight as well.
Oh, man, that left hook.
Another one.
All right, here we go, round two.
Oh, you said Paul.
Oh, wow. Oh, huge difference. Like a full can.
Yes.
The sheriff's kind of wrong.
We would have missed that, right? These little.
Johnson, he goes crazy. Very calculated.
The referee for over his last fight against Jair.
The way he's been eating these shots.
Oh,
we got. Oh,
Little right hand.
oh my goodness.
Attacking that lead leg.
Nice right hand there.
Oh, and close over to Sheriff. Oh,
Nice pop.
Another
Enemy wants to get you back right away. Nice.
Not see heavy breathing.
it's Justin Gaethje sounds.
Under the right eye. Look.
I should have done that. Look at Ige though. Look at this.
Puts it forward and lands to the chin with that.
Just missed with a right hook.
Close just.
Oh my goodness.
Tony can't get out.
Oh, seen Ferguson take.
Right.
Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, my.
Beat up
Yeah.
his legs.
Oh, Ferguson. Oh, kicks. It's not. Oh, my goodness. Oh,
They're in the second round.
Big leg.
Pace that Anthony has kept.
Ooh.
Oh, no. He's slowing down.
10 to be must see.
Doesn't look for something.
oh my goodness.
Two backs up Ferguson.
It is.
This is
Oh, look at that. That was
looking for an elbow.
Oh, wow, and then digs it
The
up.
very short notice. Oh my.
looked like a punch by the show.
Oh, my. Oh, huge up.
Oh, man. Anthony is
big
still.
right.
Oh my goodness.
But
Have to give Tony a round. We could have given him one.
No, I don't think so either. And he's getting punished.
And he's getting.
Look at that. Oh my.
Forward elbow. Forward elbow. Good shot. Hold up. Knee elbow, Tony. Come on, Tony, up. Forward. Come on. Hold up. Hold up. Punch him with the elbow. Let's go. He's there. Come on, Tony. Change level, Tony. Forward up. Come on, Tony. Yeah. Come on. Stop the fight, Preston.